Okay, question number 15. Scale factor of two rectangles is 1 to 3. That means like the dimensions are 3 times as much. So like if one of the sides, like in the smaller triangle, is say 5, then in the bigger triangle it would be 3 times as much, 15. Okay, and so there's formulas here for figuring this out, but I think the best way to do is just draw it visually. So the smaller rectangle has area of 16 square feet. So I'm just going to make up some dimensions that'll give us 16 square feet. So I'm just going to say that it's 2 by 8. So if the scale factor is 1 to 3, that means it's 3 times as big essentially. So I'm going to take these dimensions and take them times 3. So this would now be 6 and this would be 24. Right? So now the area of this other big rectangle would be 6 times 24, which I think would be 144 square feet. So the answer is what is the area, and that's it. Basically, if this one's 16 and now I tripled it, now the area is 144. Okay, and so it's weird because you might think that the area just got tripled, but you actually have to square the 1 to 3 ratio for area, giving you 1 to 9. So it's about 9 times as much, right? But if you can't remember that you have to cube or square these here, then, just draw the picture and go from there. For a volume one, you cube it. So if we were doing like if they gave you the volume of some figure and the ratio was 1 to 3, then the ratio of volume would be 1 cubed to 3 cubed. So it'd be 1 to 27 actually if it was volume ratio. So anyways, hopefully that all makes sense. But basically area, you square the ratio, volume, you cube it. And then you can use that, just do 9 times as much. Or just do the route I did here where I draw out the picture and figure it out that way.